Hello friends, welcome in our channel Maulik Learning. I Suprabhat Joshi once again going to start a new video lecture series on complete Python programming for beginners. Hope you all will enjoy this video lecture series. So before starting this video lecture series, I have request to all of you. If still you haven't subscribed our channel Maulik Learning, then please type Maulik Learning in YouTube. Then you will see our channel Maulik Learning. So please click on subscribe button so that you will connect to all videos of our channel Maulik Learning. So let's start. In this first video, I will tell you how you can download Python and how you can install Python. Very simple step. Just type Python in Google search bar. Then you will go to the official website of python.org. This is the official website python.org. Then click on download. Once you will click on downloads, then you will get the latest version of Windows. Click on download Python 3.9.6. This is the latest version. If you are using other operating system like Linux or like Unix, Mac OS and others, then click these links. Since I am using Windows 10, I am clicking on this. Once you will click on this, then save. I have already saved this. So go to the folder where you have installed, then right click on this run as administrator. It will ask the permission. Click yes. Once you will click the yes, then you can see the install Python dialog box window. It will see install Python 3.9.6 64-bit. Before clicking on install now, please must check this add Python 3.9 to path. If you will avoid or forget to check this add Python 3.9.2 path, the Python will not properly install in your system. So please must keep in your mind that check this add Python 3.9 to path. Then click on install now. Once you will click on install now, then Python will install in your system. It will take little bit time. So during this process, I also want to tell you that if you don't want to install Python in your system and download the Python and install your system, you can use Python online also. One very beautiful ID online available is Jupyter.org. Just type Jupyter Notebook. Then you can see Jupyter Notebook. This is the official website jupyter.org. Here when you scroll, that you will get two options: install as try in your browser or install Jupyter Lab. I don't want to install Jupyter Lab because I already installed Python. I want to use this online as a browser. To try in your browser, click on try in your browser. Once you will click, then you will get try classic notebook. This is first try in which you have to click. When you will click, then binder will connect. It will take little bit time. So we can see that our now our Python 3.9.6 64-bit is successfully setup was successful. We will see later. Here you can see that this is the online Jupyter Notebook ID in browser. You don't need to download or install. You just use Python online. Just go on file, then new notebook, then Python 3. Click on Python 3. Then just type your Python script here. Print hello and click on run. Then you will get the output hello. Similarly, if you want to type another script, a equals to 10, b equals to 20, c equal to a plus b, then print c, then click on run, then you will see the output 30. Very simple process. Just go on file, then new notebook, then Python 3 and type your Python script. Very simple process. Again you can check a equals to 10, b equal to 20, c equals to a upon b, then print c and go on run. Then you will see the output. So this is the one way by which you can use Python online in Jupyter Notebook IDE. Now since our Python already installed in our system, I will check. Just type search bar Python, then Python 3.9 64-bit. This is our cell prompt. You can see this cell prompt. I will increase the font size so that it is visible more clear. Yes, just type print here also, print hello, and you can see this output same as you have tried in Jupyter.org. Same, a equals to 10, b equals to 20, c equal to a plus b, print c. Then you can see the output. So this is the cell prompt view. Another GUI format, this is command user interface. Another option available, Python. If you type Python ideally Python 3.9.64 64-bit, it will open. Just wait a bit. This is ideally cell 3.96 here, and this is GUI format. I go on new file and type your Python script, print. This is GUI because you can see the print function prototype and its whole print view you can see here. You just type, we are just typing welcome in Python. Then click on run module. It will ask to save the file before running the Python script. So type first .py is extension. Then you can see that welcome in Python. This is the output. Similarly, you can make new file also. Suppose a equals to 20, b equal to 30, c equal to b minus a, then print c, and again go on run module. Okay, it will ask to save the file. Suppose second one.py. then you can see the output 10, 20. You can see the output 30 minus 20, that is 10. So in this video you have learned the two ways. First one is the official website of python.org, from where you can download Python and install and use either Python cell prompt or Python IDLE. This, and second way by which you can use Python online by using Jupyter Notebook IDE. Hope you will understand this lecture. So we will meet in next video. On that video I will tell you one more beautiful IDE, PyCharm. I use mostly the IDE. So till that take care, and we will meet in next video.